Hi, welcome dear students. Today I am going to discuss about cybercrime and safety measures while using computer and internet. Previous class I explained about intellectual property rights and how to register your trademarks, copyright from art and publications, and patent your inventions. Today I am going to discuss about the cybercrime. What is cybercrime? So cybercrime is an illegal activity done by using internet. So, so cyber crimes that involves and uses computer devices and internet is cybercrime. So cybercrime refers to all the activities done with criminal intent in cyberspace. Because of the anonymous nature of the internet, miscreants engaged in variety of criminal activities. So the field of cybercrime is just emerging nowadays, we can say, or we can say new forms of criminal activities in cyberspace are coming to the forefront with each passing day. So there are different types of cybercrime that can be enlisted, such as hacking, phishing, internet fraud, and you can say also online scams and fraud. So you already learned about the ethics, what to do and what should not do. Okay, so ethics is the how to behave in the computer, how to work on computer, and all these are manners you have already learned in computer ethics. And cyber crimes, that is an illegal activities. This is the illegal activities done by using the internet. For example, hacking, phishing, internet fraud, online scams and fraud, identity thefts, where somebody steals your email ID or password and use it to send fake emails to people containing false information about the product or winning a lottery, etc. Sometimes you get a message you won a lottery of certain amounts. Just send the details, log in with this URL and send your details. And also there's also credit card account theft and internet fraud, like ordering goods in your name. Okay. So various types of you can see here the crimes that involves and uses computer devices, internet. So the cyber crime, this is the phishing, someone trying to get the informations on your computer So this is a phishing. Now different types of can divide the cyber crimes can be divided into three main categories. First one is crime against the individual person. Next one is the crime against property, and third one is crime against an original organization or society. Third one is crime against an organization and society. So different types of different categories of cyber crimes. Now, what measures while using a computer and internet? What precautions should be taken while using computer and internet? This is very important. This is very important to use a strong password to minimize the chances of attack of hackers and crackers. Use a strong password means it should be not less than 6 digit. It should be less at least 6 digit, and password combination of password should be use a small letter of English alphabets, capital letters, also use numeric and special characters. A special character like hash sign, dollar sign, percentage sign. This okay. So a stronger the password, at least more than 6 character. So next, always surf the internet under the supervision of your parents. So this is very important. Next one is to avoid the loss of data privacy. When transmitting data from one site to another, encryption can be implemented. What is encryption? Encryption is the process of transforming data into an unreadable code. It creates encrypted file which is transferred over the encrypted information into readable forms. For example, you are going to write for English word like I am good. So in the form of while you are writing I am good in your email text, so how it encrypted? So encrypted means while using encryption, it is written in the different form. It is used in the different coding. So no one except you and the receiver can read this code. For example, it is written in the different code, different word. M is also written different code, unreadable code, and good is also readable. So no one can between read the text. So this is secure encryption mechanism. And what is the decryption? When you writing I am good, and when going to the receiver end, you are sender, you have written I am good. In the receiver end, it will also the same text appears. So encryption in the middle of between the channel. So no one can able to read the text. So this is a secure. So I hope you understood what is the encryption and decryption. Also set up automatic software and operating system updates in your computer. Sometimes you get your message on your smartphone, Android operating system, update get the updates. So you must update, because sometimes you get the new functions, upgraded functions. Software is a regular process of upgradation. Okay, so you must update software, automatic software, and for like antivirus. Huh? So regular data backup is also important, so that you will not lose your any data. It is advisable to use a cloud storage, and to avoid the data loss. Also ignore unwanted and strange emails. Be careful when opening attachment, links, and forms in the email that comes from unknown people. You know, and make use of firewalls for security mechanism, which prevent unauthorized people to access your computer system and network. Okay, so I hope you understood what is cyber crimes and safety measures while using the computer and internet. Thanks for watching.